Hello kids, today, I'm excited to share another Panchatantra story with you. Our story today is titled, The Four Friends. Once upon a time, in a lush jungle, lived three friends, a turtle, a crow, and a mouse. They were the best of friends and always helped each other out. One day, while they were chatting by the lake, a deer wandered into their area. Seeing the deer for the first time, the turtle said, "Hello. You must be new here. I haven't seen you around before." The deer replied, "Yes, I'm new to this jungle. I used to live in another jungle where I had no friends. I tried to make friends with other animals, but no one wanted to be my friend. So, I left and ended up here." "Oh, you're all alone and in need of friends," said the turtle. The crow and the mouse exchanged glances and smiled. "Well, we might be just three friends now, but we're happy to have you join us." And so, the deer became friends with them. The next day, the four friends set off in different directions to find food, and they agreed to meet at the same spot by evening. This routine went on for a few days, but one evening, the deer didn't return. The turtle, crow, and mouse grew worried. "The sun is almost set. Why hasn't the deer come back yet?" The turtle asked. "Yes, he should have been back by now." "We need to go look for him," the crow suggested. "I can fly, so I'll have a better view and find him quickly," said the crow. With that, he soared into the sky. After searching for a while, the crow spotted the deer trapped in a net. He swooped down and called out, "Dear friend, you need to get me out of here." "Don't worry, I'll figure something out," the crow said, flying back to the turtle and the mouse. "The deer is caught in a hunter's net," the crow explained. "We need to act fast before the hunter returns. Let's go and help him," the mouse said, quickly using his sharp teeth to gnaw through the net. With the net cut, the deer was freed. The turtle arrived just in time to see his friend safe. "Are you all right?" he asked. "Yes, thanks to all of you," the deer replied. But just then, the hunter returned and saw that the deer was free. The hunter moved closer, and everyone had to act quickly. The crow flew away, the mouse dashed for a nearby hole, and the deer hid in the bushes. The turtle, however, couldn't run or hide and was caught by the hunter and put into a sack. After some time, the deer, the mouse, and the crow gathered together, feeling sad about their friend's capture. "We need to come up with a plan to rescue the turtle," said the deer. "We can't let him be taken away because of us." The crow had an idea. "The hunter is alone, and we are three. We can use this to our advantage. Let's execute a plan to save the turtle." "That's a brilliant idea," said the mouse. "Let's get to work." At the lakeside, following the crow's plan, the deer pretended to be dead, while the crow acted as if he was scouting the area. The mouse waited hidden in the bushes, ready for the right moment. The hunter approached and saw the dead deer. "This is perfect," he exclaimed, moving towards the deer with greed. As he left the sack unattended, the mouse quickly gnawed through it. As the hunter got closer to the deer, the crow flew away. The deer jumped up and ran off, while the mouse freed the turtle from the sack. The turtle, the deer, and the turtle gone, the friends were overjoyed to be reunited. They had saved their friend and learned an important lesson: unity is strength. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and comment below. To be the first to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for notifications.